Imagine this. You're sitting alone, tired of the same cycle. You've promised yourself countless times this is the last time, but here you are again. Sound familiar? Let me tell you something most people won't. Recovery from porn addiction isn't what you think it is, and it's not just about willpower or quitting cold turkey. Today, I'm giving you a raw, unfiltered look at what recovery actually looks like. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with insights that could completely change your life. Let's set the stage. Recovery from porn addiction isn't linear. It's messy, it's hard, and honestly, it's one of the most misunderstood journeys out there. Most people think recovery is just about stopping, but here's the truth. Recovery isn't just about quitting porn, it's about rebuilding yourself from the inside out. Let's break it down. In the first few weeks of recovery, you might feel like a superhero one day and a total mess the next. That's normal. Your brain has been rewired by years of artificial stimulation, and now it's learning to recalibrate. You might experience mood swings, cravings, or even physical withdrawal symptoms. But guess what? That's a sign that you're healing. No pain, no gain, right? So, what does progress look like? It's not just about avoiding porn, it's about filling that void with something meaningful. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools in recovery. Why? Because it rewires your brain to seek natural dopamine. Journaling, it helps you identify triggers and patterns. Meditation, it teaches you to sit with uncomfortable emotions instead of escaping them. Now let's talk about relapses. Did you know that 95% of people relapse during recovery? Here's the kicker. A relapse doesn't mean failure. It's feedback. It's your brain telling you, hey, there's still work to be done. The key isn't to beat yourself up. It's to analyze why it happened and use that as fuel to keep going. Every step back is a chance to take 2 steps forward. And here's a secret most people don't know. You don't have to do this alone. Recovery isn't a solo sport. Joining a community of like-minded individuals can skyrocket your progress. Whether it's an online forum, a support group, or even a close friend, having accountability is a game changer. Research shows that people who recover together are twice as likely to succeed. But let's talk about the good stuff. What happens when you push through? Here's the part no one tells you. Your energy levels skyrocket. Your focus improves. You start building genuine relationships. And that feeling of being trapped, gone. You'll discover a version of yourself that you didn't even know existed. A version that's confident, resilient, and unstoppable. Recovery from porn addiction is hard, but it's worth it. It's not just about quitting, it's about reclaiming your life. So, if you're ready to take the first step or the next step, know this. You are not alone, and you are more capable than you think. Don't let today be just another day. Let today be the day you start your journey. Because the life waiting for you on the other side, it's better than you can imagine. If this video spoke to you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you're ready for more tips, strategies, and real talk about recovery, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is your time to rise. Let's do this together.